So I think today I was going to use that fan for the fan on this engine. That's the original fan off of the Cummins. But I think it'd be a lot less work if I just machine me a hub to go from that hub to the New Holland fan. It should pull just as much air. It's got an extra blade on it. It is a smaller fan, but it does have an extra blade on it, so it probably should pull the same amount of air through it. I don't think I'm going to have a heating problem with this, but time will tell. Not much else is going on since the last time I turned this camera on, so I guess what I'll do is I'm gonna go get that other fan and take some measurements and stuff and see if I can't make an adapter hub for this real quick. Well, it probably won't be real quick, but you know, somewhat quick. So anyways, I'll be back with you here shortly. Alright, I got my blank in the lathe here. Cut some X's on it so I didn't have to take too big of a cut. But anyways, it's going to take some time to build this thing. So I'll put you on a little bit of time lapse here and watch a little bit of it. Alright, I got the first part of the machining done for this fan hub adapter. So now I need to drill the holes, that hole pattern onto it. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll put it back in here and finish machining it. So goes on there like so. So we'll get these holes marked and go from there. Alright, well, I got those holes drilled. So now, pop it back in the lathe and make the part for the fan to sit on. Alright, well, I got the done with the machining now. Got the hub mill or turned. So now I just need to drill the holes for this fan, which go clamp it in the vise over there and do what I did when the other one, when I drilled these other holes. So what I'm going to do is I am going to offset these holes so they're not in the same spot. So anyways, hang on a minute. Alright, now I'm just using this drill bit to mark the holes. So I am going to mark one hole and then get the correct size drill bit for a 5/16 inch bolt and drill clear through it and tap it. And then I'm going to bolt the fan down, or using that one bolt, and then I'm going to mark the other three and do that. So that's how we're going to do that. I got one hole marked. Now I'm going to switch that out to a smaller bit. Which I had one, I don't know what I did with it now. Better keep that here. Alright, be right back, hang on. Well, I finally found a drill bit. Although, this isn't the one I was looking for. And it don't look all that great. But maybe it'll drill a hole. Perhaps it'll drill 4 holes. I guess we'll find out here shortly. Alright, well, we got done with that. I got all the holes made, so the only thing left to do is bolt it on the fan and then run a drill down through these 4 holes here to notch out the holes so these bolts will go through the fan, not interfere the fan with the fan. So we'll do that, and this part will be done. Alright, well there it is. An adapter for the fan hub. A fan hub adapter to go from that Cummins 8.3 to that New Holland 6 or 7.1 liter engine, I think it is. Anyways, there it is. Now I can put the hub on. I'll have to go get some longer bolts though, but not a big deal. But the hub. Bolts. There you go. That's the way she goes. So, all right, well, I'll go get some bolts, and this thing will be on the machine. So more video to come on other parts of this project.